Grange tomorrow will be the last event before I leave. Going to Japan on Monday and going to Drift on Saturday. Pretty packed schedule. Just came back from Utah Thursday and changed the channel on Josh's car today. And finally get to drift with Josh. No, I know. That's how busy I am.
We're gonna paint my car on Sunday too.
Wish I got this kits painted, but ouch.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, are we meeting Abe?
Abe's already at gas station like 10 minutes ago.
Okay, let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
First session went off on first turn. Broke the bumper. Fixable though.
Oh man.
Fixable.
Yeah, it's fixable. Sorry, Kota.
No, it was my fault. And my headlight's gonna be like, wah! Yeah. Class event is done. It was a rough day, but I had fun with all my buddies. And then with the coupler, blew this coupler and crashed in the first turn and broke the headlight, broke the bumper and fender. But other than that, car ran solid. Had a good tandem with everyone. Off to Japan. This car is gonna sit for next 6 months. Me and Nina all packed up. Can anyone find 10 mil? Can't find it. But we all packed up. Going back to Japan for 6 months. Yeah, somebody gave Josh this at Grand yesterday. One of the subscriber, I think. Josh and them had to go cousin's birthday party. So my buddy Oscar's coming and he's gonna take us and we're gonna hang out in LA for a little bit and catch a flight. Oscar and Cynthia came. Alright, are you ready to go to Japan?
Go to Japan?
Alright. Peace out.
We go to figure that down. Go to sleep. My friends, I have your gloves. That's the only thing I have left of you.
And his car.
I put them in my pillow. So I can smell your grease everywhere.
Yeah.
I'll be there. 2 months. I gotta smuggle Jordan into there somehow.
Or find a sugar mama.
I know, probably.
I'll find a sugar mama for Jordan and have her fly here.
そっち
She's not even Japanese. She's like Are you moving or something?
Oh yeah, everyone's moving.
And you're just driving yesterday?
Yeah, we were at Grand yesterday, and I was in Utah like 3 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah, but Josh's Chan 2 days ago. It's heavy. This one's heavy. Superman. That shit's definitely be overweighted. Yeah, I'll have to.
$500 extra.
I'll take care of your cars, and
Take care of your cars.
and you take care of my car. Off to LA.
LA
LA. Hollywood.
She'll see you when she's 6 years old. Come on, say bye, Coco. No, it's not wet.
Bye.
Yeah.
miss you guys
Hey, you remember
Miss
who that
you
is?
too.
Momo? Momo, who's that?
頑張ってね
Do you remember?
頑張ってね
You remember who
また
that
連
is?
絡してね
Hey, were you taking my friend?
He's mine now.
Bye, guys.
He's gonna fix my cars.
Okay. Bye, guys. pick me up. おかえり。
ただいま、ありがとう。
Back in Japan.
好きすごい。
Dirty ass windshield. おお、これだ。